Hello dear students, myself Dr. M.K. Zhate from the Department of Physics, GMD Arts, BW, Science and Commerce College, Sinnar. So today we will see one topic from the computational physics for TYBSc students, the basic in C programming, in which I am going to telling you about the formatted input and output in a C programming. So what is the C programming? What is the formatted input output? Okay, the formatted input output allow us to read the input or display the output to be formatted as per our requirement. So whatever the format we are going to apply in a C program or we want to display on a screen. Okay, for that purpose we require some formatted statements, or there is some changes in the regular statements. Okay, so formatting means specifying. What is specifying? Where you want to the output to appear on a screen. Okay, so if you want to put some hello world, okay, so where you want to put that hello world, okay, what should be the spacing between the all letters or characters, or at what line you want to present it, okay, or how many spaces do you wish to have between the various outputs. Okay, if you have a number of lines, okay, or number of outputs, so how many spaces, okay, whether you want to put that data in a new line or put that data by some spacing. Okay, the number of decimal places after the decimal point in case of a float data. Okay, if you have a float data type, then what should be the numbers of digits after decimal places unit, okay, that can be formatted. Okay, thus we can input or output data, okay, which has been arranged in a particular format. So what is formatted input? In order to input data, we use the scanf function. Okay, you know very well the scanf function. So its format is a scanf. Okay, okay. For example, this is the general format scanf. Okay, in double quote format string, comma, list of variables or the arguments. Okay, the formatting string will specify the field format for a list of variables. Okay, what kind of data you want to put. Okay, whether that is integer, whether that is float or any character. Okay, note the comma between the format string and list of variables. Okay, the format string contains what kind of format string contains? Format specify which consists of the conversion specification. Okay, so format string consists percentage followed by the data types character. Okay, we specify the what type of data is there. Okay, and number optional, which will specify the field width. Okay, if you want to apply the width, okay, so you can put their word. Okay, for example, %d and %f are the example of conversion. What conversion? This %d is used for the integer, okay, and this %f is used for the float data type. So there are some examples, okay, conversion character for the formatted, okay, input. So what is integer short sign? Okay, if you have a short sign integer, you have to write %d or %i. Short unsigned %u, long unsigned %ld. Okay, long unsigned again %lu, unsigned hexadecimal, okay, %x, unsigned octal %o, real float %f, double %lf, character sign %c, character signed, okay, unsigned %c, and string is percent %s. So small letter s. So additional specifier which are optional in convergent specification include specifier description. Okay, for example, this is a W specify the field width. Okay, this if you include the W, then it specified the width, okay, of the character. Then this dot is a decimal point which is used to separate the field width. Okay, means after decimal how many digits you want. Okay, then this dash is a escape sequence. Okay, blanks, new line, character. Okay, tabs, it so on. So escape sequence begin with the what, this slash. Okay, slash sign. The arguments are written as variables or arrays. The variables are separated by commas and preceded by n. Okay, the whatever variable you are going to enter, that are separated by comma and preceded by n. Before that we connect them and character. Okay, but array name must be not begin with. So if you are going to input as array, then that should be not preceded by this and character. So this is a simple program. Okay, so main character item. Okay, so this is a 10, so its width is 10, integer part number, float price, then scanf, %s, %d, %f, items and part number and price. Okay, so this specifies, okay, the string, okay, integer and float. Okay, so this item is a string, this is a part, and this is a price. So you can see that this string is not preceded by n, but rest of the d and f are preceded by n. So then next program is what, main integer abc are the integer, scanf, %d, %d, and a. You can see there, here a and b are preceded by and character. Then third one is a main. Again it is integer b abc. Okay, scanf, %d, %3d. So it indicate the space between the words. So this %d, and n. So you can see that this 1, 2, 3, okay, ABC has this space. Okay, again if you entered 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 value of this, then that will be this. Okay, the space between this is a 3. Okay, but if you apply for this, okay, according to this program, okay, you will get this input. Okay, this input. Okay, and so on. Okay, scanf for integers. The general format, the form of the scanf function to input integer is %wd, where % is the symbol which indicate that conversion sequence follows. W is the width specified for the integers, and D indicate the data types. Okay, so scanf for real numbers. So scanf uses %f specification, both decimal points and exponential notation. Okay, so %e for exponential form. To read two-digit number a and b, both which have declared type of float, we can use a method. For example, float a and b are the both float, and scanf in a string %f. So f is a float. Again, this a is a float and b is again float. So they are preceded by n character. Okay, for their addresses. So value for variables a and b can be input in decimal or exponential notation. So you can see that. So their notation. So for example, 876.323 and 876.323 raised to -1. Then the above statement will be signed the value. Okay, 876 7.323 and to A, okay, and 87.6323 for B, okay. Suppose if you want to write this in exponential form, so program will take this form, okay. Main float A and B, so enter the value of decimals and in exponential forms, okay. So you have to specify for the exponential %f, %e, okay. So and A and B. So this first A is considered as a float and second is a in exponential form character, okay. So your output will be according to this. If you enter these two numbers, so you will value of A is 367.980800, okay. So float has a by default 6 digits after decimal place. Value of B is 134000, okay, point. So, okay. So scanf for character and string. So the general form to read the character string is %c or %width and yes, where W is indicate the field width. %c is used to read the single character. If you want to put a single characters, at that time you have to use %c. Otherwise you have to use %s, okay, for the single string. It is important to note that the reading of input with the %s specify the terminate as soon as blank space is encountered. So what is blank space? The this, okay, blank space specifier. The some version of scanf support the okay, this blank space specifier. It has the following conversion specification for the string. For example, this is a character, okay. So this means that the only character specified in the brackets, okay, are the allowed in the input string. For example, %a-z, it means that all lowercase characters are allowed, okay. If you write this empty space, then string which have blank spaces, okay. This cap, okay, character, this implies that it is allowed for the particular string or character. For example, %, so cap A, it implies that A is not allowed in this brackets, okay. So this is a simple program for, okay, integer, date, month, year. So you have to enter date, year and month, scanf %d, okay. So this is a specified character. So this allows either this or this. Again this character allows this slash or dash. Again so on. So and date and month and year. So after that print date %d to new line, month to new line, print year to new line. Okay. So we will get 0, 6, 1. So output will be like this. Okay. So 1. So if you enter this, the output will be appear on a screen, okay, like this, okay, the new line. In order to output the data, okay, formatted output, we use the printf function. The printf can use align or space the output on the screen. For example, printf format string list of variable or printf control string arguments, okay, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The format string contains the character which will be printed on the screen as they are. The format specification which begins with the %sign which have been seen in scanf function, okay. The escape sequence like new line, okay, tab and vertical points of the cursor. The control string indicates the number of variables and their types which follow the list of variables. The variable in the variables list should match in the number, order and types of formatting string. For example, this print %d, %f and %d, A, B, C. At that time you have to enter A as a integer, B as a float, again C as a integer. Okay. So this is about the formatted input and output.